The question is asking to find the velocity at the point B. First, let us the given data. Given point A is at a height of 10 meters above the point B. So the point A at a height of 10 meters, and also given at the point A the velocity is 5 meters per second. So if you draw the diagram, we get according to conservation of energy, the potential energy and kinetic energy at the point A should be equal to potential energy and the kinetic energy at the point B. So if you write PE plus KE at point A should be equal to PE plus KE at point B. We know potential energy formula mgh, kinetic energy formula of mv square. And in the question it's mentioned that the mass of the object is 2 kgs. We will not use the mass value. Why? Because both terms are cancelling. So we get mgh plus op